Till now, we have studied so many methods of separation. Example, threshing, winnowing, hand picking, sieving, evaporation, condensation, sedimentation, decantation, filtration, churning, dissolution. See, in all these cases, we are using heat energy in some cases and we are not using heat energy in some other cases. See, for example, threshing, winnowing, hand picking, sieving, then filtration, dissolution, churning, no need of heat. Where we are using? In evaporation, we are using. What heat energy is using when we are using? What heat energy is doing there? Heat energy is converting the state. What state? For example, water you are heating over there. Water is changed into when you are heating steam. No, water vapor. This is in water cycle formation also you will be observing in the nature. Yes or no? So here, what is happening? In 5th class you have studied melting point, boiling point, what is boiling, what is melting. So when you are heating water, it is converted into steam. So water state is changing. What is happening? State. 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gases. Here liquid is changing into gaseous form. Same way in some other cases also you need heat energy. So there, based on the boiling points, you will be separating. So in another, see, for example, based on the boiling points, you will be learning in further classes in high school level. That is, the other processes are sublimation. Sublimation. In this process, directly solid changes into gaseous state. Solid to gas it will be changing. So heat energy is required. Next, distillation. Distillation, another process. Here, based on the boiling points. Based on the boiling points, you will be separating it to or mixing with the two substances. For example, air. Air is a mixture of gases. Same way, in the distillation process, based on the boiling points, you will be separating. Then next, you will be using fractional distillation. Fractional distillation process. So many things will be mixed. But different boiling points they will be having. Example, crude oil. Crude oil is petroleum. Petroleum, in the petroleum refinery, we will be using fractional distillation process. Now, when anything is dissolved, you are using simple process evaporation and condensation. For example, getting salt from sea water. Sunlight is used. That heat energy evaporates water, you are getting salt. Evaporation and condensation process, you are getting whenever any substance is dissolved mixture. If it is not dissolved, you will be using, for example, oil and water. Oil and water is mixed, separating funnel. You will be using separating funnel. By using separating funnel, water and sieve. Now only dissolution. If it is not dissolved, water and kerosene will need to be mixed. No. So this is when it is not soluble. When the mixture is not soluble, if it is solid and liquid, what we used? Filtration method. If it is not soluble, both are, this is liquid and this is also in the liquid state. If both are liquids and not soluble, not mixing with each other, this mixture you will be separating by using a separating funnel. And next one more process is there, colors, separation of colors. Chromatography. See, you are writing with ink pens. Suppose some children are writing with ink pen. Ink pen will have so many the ink spot you put how many colors it will be separating. That color separation is known as chromo means color. Chromatography is the process of separating color mixtures. It will be used for color mixtures. In detail, these all you will be learning in your higher classes. After this, now a small assignment is given in this one paper. You solve it. Then when we meet tomorrow in the virtual classes, you can clear your doubts. Okay, understood? So all these processes you need to write in your notebook, in assignment book, and any doubts in the virtual class we can clarify. So chromatography used to separate colors. What? To separate colors. This you will be learning in your higher classes. What are other processes? Sublimation, distillation, fractional distillation, using separating funnel. Here you are not using again heat, not soluble, and here also not used heat. So how many cases you are using? Evaporation, sublimation, distillation, fractional distillation. You are using basing on the difference in the boiling points and melting points. We are separating the matter, mixture. Whereas in another cases without any heat energy but using something other principles like dissolution or not soluble immiscible, miscible liquids, immiscible liquids. Suppose lemon juice, that is liquid only. Lemon juice is liquid. Mixing with water, it will be mixed. No, that is miscible. Two liquids are combining, mixing, which is lemon juice, which is water. You cannot distinguish. So that is miscible. Not miscible liquids, they are not soluble. Water and oil, not soluble. So you will be using separating funnel. Here directly solid to gas. Here color separation. In detail about this, you will be learning this fractional distillation. I told air mixture. Air is a mixture of gases. Examples I told. Based on what this is? Boil difference in the boiling points is already separated. So with this, the chapter separation of mixtures is completed. Notes will be given. Be thorough with all the processes and draw the diagrams. Be ready for the next chapter. Thank you, children.